Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Today we're at the Lux Windows and Doors showroom with Lori Korchinski. We're going to give you a tour of some of my favorite premium products from their line. Come check it out.
Well, thank you for coming to Lux Windows. Just to tell you a little bit about who we are the oldest window manufacturer in the province. We're 56 years old. What really separates us from the rest of the industry would be the fact that we are a proudly Albertan company that strives to use as many locally sourced components as possible. We truly believe in designed, engineered, and manufactured here for here.
As I probably alluded to throughout this series, Lux is my favorite window and door supplier, and the reason for that is that the products are all really well designed and engineered. They work great. I love little features like the adjustable hinge system, the multi-point lock, some of these other premium features like the click glass, the pivot door system, and this Tesoro folding door. These are great products, but they all function really well, and it's easy for me to recommend to my clients because they ultimately meet not only a practical need, but they're easy to use, they look fantastic, and they will stand the test of time and our climate. Okay, so let me show you this awesome window feature. So this is called the click glass system. And what this does is go from obscured to clear glass. Lori, tell us about it, show us how it works.
Well, what we have here is a sealed unit that actually has a liquid crystal display in it. So as far as that goes, instantaneous. Within 100 milliseconds, you have clarity. So right now the sealed unit is actually powered. Obscure. So when it is in its powered state, it is 97% clarity. So we have minimal haze and lots of obscurity on the sealed unit. We can do this in standard picture windows. We can do it in fixed sash, casements, awnings, and doors.
One thing I want to point out too with this is that it runs off low voltage, but when it's powered, it's clear. But if it loses power, it returns to obscured. So that's a nice, important thing to note, that some of the other systems that existed, it was the reverse. And if the power went out, it went back to clear glass. So you can imagine what a shocker that could be if it was installed near a bathroom or somewhere you wanted some actual privacy. So it's a remarkable system. I think it's a game changer for front entries, bathroom to primary bedroom, wall and window locations. So yeah, I think it's awesome. That's why it's on my list of favorite premium features. Let's go take a look at this big pivot door. Okay, so here we're at this nice, massive, oversized pivot door, and it certainly makes a bold statement for any home that has this at the front entry. So, Lori, tell us a bit about it. What sets this door apart, and what are you most proud of this door? There's lots of things I could point out that I love, but give us your perspective.
What I would first say is we're the first company in the province to come to market with a pivot door. Many have failed trying to make them meet our stringent requirements for energy. The pivot doors by nature generally don't have good seals to them. We have engineered something pretty special. So size-wise, this door system is 5 feet wide by 10 feet tall. Unreal. What we've also done, I'm going to show you how to operate the door. Standard operation. What we've done with this pivot door system is we've engineered the system to have the pin as close to the edge of the door as possible to maximize the clear span opening and minimize space on the opposite side of the door.
Yeah, I would say the average pivot door, or more commonly you'll see the pivot hinge located 16 inches or so in from the end of the door, and this is nice over at 6 inches, so you get that maximum opening space and ability to pass through.
What we've also got is a self-closing feature to the door. When we close the door, we let it go on its little journey. You can see that it's a soft close. We can adjust the rate of rebound on it. It slows down. This door slab weighs in excess of 400 pounds and closes like it weighs 2.
It is remarkable, and it's great, like if you had kids using this door, or maybe seniors or someone, you're not worrying about wrestling this really heavy door, and that soft close, self-closing feature is awesome. I'd point out too, it's got that multi-point locking system, so it's great where it locks not only at the strike plate, but down also at the bottom and top of the door, which really helps for security and also for sealing as well.
One of the key features that we have on this door is we actually have a drop seal and a pop seal. When the door closes, a pin feature on the side of the seals engage the seals to go down and up.
What he's getting at is it's really weatherproof. So awesome. One of my favorite doors to see here. Definitely not for the average home, but if your home can take it, or maybe we can make it so it can, remarkable feature for sure. Let's go check out the folding door system. I love this one too. You'll see over there. So this is the Tesoro folding door system. I love this. I love this application for uniting your indoor and outdoor space. So to start with, we have a single point of access for quick, easy in and out of your home. Let me show you where the magic starts, and Lori, you can tell us a bit about it.
Well, we came up with this door system to maximize clear span opening. We wanted to create a door that would allow us to have your outside in or your inside out in a house. And I think we came up with it. It's a top hung door system with no weight load on the floor system. Very easy to operate, whether you're young or old. There's no weight load on the bearings. Easy open and close.
Yeah, as you might have seen, really easy to operate. And I think it's something that really, it's a game changer for your entertainment and just generally, uniting your outdoor and indoor spaces and really creating an area where you can have a nice open concept. And this thing performs really well also as far as energy efficiency is concerned, which is a remarkable feat for a system like this, because often they don't seal well.
Yeah, we decided as a company that if we were going to make it, we were going to make it to meet our stringent requirements in Alberta, made here for here.
It's awesome. It's a great product. If you have questions about how this might work in your home, or you're excited about the opportunity of having a system like this, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations. This is Lori from Lux Windows Doors. Thanks a lot for the tour.
Thank you very much for coming.
Bye now.